Are there bodies in space beyond our sun and its 9 planets? We can see thousands of stars on a clear night, but just how far does the universe extend? And where do we fit into the whole picture? Let's begin by finding where we are in the universe. On a clear night, when the moon is not shining, look at the stars. From Earth, you can see more stars in some direction than in others. A faint band called the Milky Way has the largest grouping of stars that you can see. Our solar system is of the Milky Way. This means that you cannot tell the shape of the Milky Way by looking at the part night sky. If you could view the Milky Way from somewhere beyond it, you would see its true shape. You would see a shape that looks much like a fried egg, thick at the center and thin near its edges. We call these thin edges spiral arms. Our solar system is close to the end of one of these arms.
Wow, it is incredible to think of how small we are in comparison to the vastness of the universe. So, what makes up the Milky Way?
The Milky Way is made up of billions of stars, along with gas and dust. In fact, they are estimated that there are 100 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. And our solar system is just a tiny part of it. Speaking of our solar system, what about we talk more about it?
Our solar system consists of the Sun and the 9 planets that orbit around it. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky and small. The next 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are gas giants, which means they don't have a solid surface. And the last planet, Pluto, is a dwarf planet, which means it's much smaller than the other planets and isn't considered a full planet anymore.
That's really interesting. So, how far away are we from the center of the Milky Way?
Our solar system is located about 25,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way. That may sound like a long way, but in terms of the size of the universe, it's actually quite close.
It's crazy to think about all of the other galaxies that are out there too.
And scientists believe that there are billions of galaxies in the universe, each with their own billions of planets and stars.
It's a truly awe-inspiring thought. It really is. The universe is so vast and mysterious that we still have so much to learn about it.
That is indeed right, and that's what makes exploring the universe so exciting. There's always something new to discover, and we're just scratching the surface of what we know. Some people think that there may be forms of life on other bodies in space, but this is only a guess. There is so much more to learn in space, and we have only begun our journey of discovery.